with me, Miss Ellis. I have chosen this book today because it's a bit of fun. And kids, you'll be pleased to know that this has got a bit of a message for the grown-ups out there. So the book is Eat Your Peas. And the authors are Kes Grey and Sharratt. So get yourself nice and comfy. Let's begin. It was dinner time again, and Daisy just knew what her mum was going to say before she even said it. "Eat your peas," said Mum. Daisy looked down at the little green balls that were ganging up on her plate. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. Bet some of you can relate to that, can't you? Mum sighed one of her usual sighs. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding," said Mum. "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "Okay, if you eat your peas, you can have some pudding and you can stay up for an extra half hour." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have some pudding, stay up for an extra half hour and you can skip your bath." Can you join in with me? "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 10 puddings. Stay up really late, you don't have to wash for 2 whole months, and I'll buy you a new bike." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 48 puddings. Stay up past midnight, you never have to wash again. I'll buy you 2 new bikes and a baby elephant." Are you ready? "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, you can have 100 puddings. You can go to bed when you want, wash when you want, do what you want when you want. I'll buy you 10 new bikes, 2 pet elephants, 3 zebras, a penguin and a chocolate factory." "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you a supermarket stacked full of puddings. You never have to go to bed again or school again. You never have to wash or brush your hair or clean your shoes or tidy your bedroom. I'll buy you a bike shop, a zoo, 10 chocolate factories. I'll take you to Superland for a week and you can have your very own space rocket with double retro laser blamers." Are you ready? "I don't like peas," said Daisy. "If you eat your peas, I'll buy you every supermarket, sweet shop, toy shop and bike shop in the world. 17 swimming pools, you never have to go to bed again or school or wash or brush your hair or clean your shoes or clean your teeth or clean your hamster out or tidy your bedroom or put the videos in yourself or get dressed. I'll buy you Africa, 92 chocolate factories. We'll move to Superland. You can have the space rockets you want. I'll buy you the Earth, the moon, the stars, the sun, and a new fluffy pencil case." You really want me to eat my peas, don't you?" said Daisy. Yes, said Mum. I'll eat my peas if you eat your Brussels, said Daisy. Mum looked down at her own plate and her bottom lip began to wobble. But I don't like Brussels, said Mum. Exactly, said Daisy. You don't like Brussels and I don't like peas. But we both like pudding. Look at all these other books. All about Daisy, aren't they? Did you enjoy that? It's a good one, isn't it? I hope you were joining in with me. Shall we say it? I don't like peas. I do like peas though, actually. I'm trying to think, what is a vegetable I'm not... Do you know what? The one thing I hate the most is cucumber. Ugh, I think it's yucky. Which is your worst thing that you don't like to eat? I bet there's a few, aren't there? See if you can have a little deal with Mum and then see if you can have some pudding instead, just like Daisy did. Right, well, I hope you enjoyed that story and I shall see you soon for another one. You take care. Bye for now.
If you like that story, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Love to Learn with Miss Ellis. Take care. Bye for now.